Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing views in tax information. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create, edit, and use custom views that you create in tax information. So let's begin. So what a view is are the columns that you see on the results screen of your tax information search. So to access that, we'll click on Menu, and then underneath Tax Info, click on Tax Information. So that brings you here into wire data. So just to show you what a custom view is, I'm just going to do a quick search on owner name in the municipality of Milwaukee, and I'll do it for Smith. So these columns that you see here on the results screen are what's called the view. This particular view that you're looking at is one that I've created on my own, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So you can see it here, that's Standards Plus. The view that you guys usually see is this one with the owner name, property address, municipality, county, and tax key number. So this is the view, the standard comes along with everybody's account. So to create your own views, you'll go over here into the wire data menu, click on Setup, and click on Browse Views. That'll bring you to the Create, Edit, or Use Your Custom Browse Views screen. So here it's showing me my existing views. So I've got a Standard Plus I've created, and it shows me the fields that are displayed. And I've got one called Appraisal, and it shows me the fields that are displayed here. So to create your own view, you click on New. That'll bring you to the Create a New Custom Parcel Browse screen. So first you want to give that view a name. So I'm just going to call it Test View. Then here, select the information to display in this view. These are all the available columns that you have access to display. So you can either select them one column at a time and hit Add like I just did there, or you can hold down your Control key and make all of your selections at one time. And I'm not doing them in any particular order. I'm just grabbing columns that typically will have descriptions or have information for them. All right, and then I hit Add, and then all of those selected columns are over here in my selected list. Once I've selected all of my columns, if I'd like for them to appear in a certain order on the results screen, I can move them around. So let's say, for example, I wanted the county to be first. I'll select that and move it up to the first position. Next, I want the municipality, so I'll do the same. So you can shuffle them around in any order that you'd like to. If you've selected something that you no longer want, or you've selected by mistake, you just select that field and then hit Delete. Or if you want to start all over, you can hit Delete All, and that'll clear this box. But once you've got your column selected that you want and you're ready to save it, you hit Save View. All right, and that gives me the confirmation that my view has been saved. So when I select it here, that'll show me those columns that will be in my view. So I can either do a search from the screen over here in the search engine, or I can use the view from here. Okay, that didn't work the way that I expected to, so let's go back. So to use your view, you want to use the search engine. Choose the search engine that you want to use. So I'll do owner name again. Municipality in Milwaukee and Smith, and hit search. So now there it is right there, my test view that I just created. So that used, when I hit the use button, apparently it said that it cemented that view for my next use. So these are the columns that I selected that are displaying here. You can even sort by the columns here. So for example, let's say I wanted to sort by year built in ascending or descending order. I can just click on the column header, give it a few moments, and then it'll sort. So whatever the year built entered in, it'll do an ascending or descending order. So this is ascending, so if I wanted to flip it around, and there you go. If you're looking at a view and you decide that you want to make an edit to the view, maybe remove a column or add a column, just go back over underneath Setup and browse Views, select your view, and hit Edit, and it'll take you back in where you can make changes to that view. The other buttons that you have here, if you'd like to remove a view, that's what Delete is for. Okay, this will conclude our tutorial on views in tax information.